Okay, so guess who is vlogging today? Me. It's almost summer, well, like a few months, but the weather's been like really showing up these days, you know, and I'm really vibing with it. So I want to do something today. I just want to like kind of take it easy. Like I'm actually really tired, like I'm not gonna lie. It's been a very busy week and I'm always like super excited for the weekend, and then when the weekend comes I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so exhausted. But I want to go to the beach. I just got back from the shop and I got some avocado, which I absolutely love. I've actually been eating a lot of avo a lot these days. I don't know, I'm just loving it. Like, let's just enjoy the day together, guys. Honestly, like it's a gorgeous day, gorgeous. Okay, so I'm at the beach and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Like, when does the ocean not look amazing? Like, honestly, like there's just something about like the waves, and like it's really calming today. So it's like super zen and super nice, and oh, it's just gorgeous. Like, I'm so keen to show you. First of all, drives are like the best. Like, I love putting on like a really good Sabrina Carpenter song, or like I'm really vibing with like Tate McRae right now. Sometimes I drive a little longer so that I can finish the song. Like, it's just a vibe, you know. You have to create a vibe wherever you go. But anyways, before I was babbling on, like back to a normal scheduled programming, I love coming to the beach and like just reading. So I'm gonna do that for a little bit, and then we're gonna go for a walk.